Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another mini for my Mummified Undead army. This is the Mummy King. He's going to be the main hero of my force. While this guy is just on foot, they have just released a Mummy King riding a giant snake, which is kind of cool, and I'm probably going to swap over to him afterwards. This guy was primed in black, and I get started with Corpse Pale for all of the wrappings. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. Next up is the skirt. For this I went for Orc Blood. I wanted something in the purple spectrum as that's my main colour for the army, but I still wanted something slightly different so it just doesn't look the samey. I then grabbed charred brown to do the belt and the main parts of the braces and greaves. For the longest part of the mini, the metal parts, I went greedy gold, which is pretty much for all of it as he is a king and deserves to be clad in all gold. To match the rest of the army, once it's actually painted up, the robe is done with royal purple. I do also add a little bit of embellishment on the head just to make it pop that bit more. The bones needed some colour, so I gave them a once over with skeleton bone. To finish the sword off and add some highlights to the gold, I grabbed old silver. Now on to highlighting up the purple. I get started with hexed lichen for the tops of the folds and the sharp edges. The last highlight on the purple is oozing purple. This is just for the very tips of the edges and some variation in some of the folds. With the cloak done, I moved on to the skirt, giving a first highlight of Warlock purple. To finish the skirt, I gave an edge highlight of squid pink. Moving on to the washes, I wash everything except for the purples with soft tone. The only other wash is purple tone for the rest of the mini. And that will be it for the Mummy King, ready to lead my forces against the Ratmen hordes. As you can see, I have rebased him just to go with what the army is going to be based with. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi pages. Speaking of Ko-fi, if you want to support the channel more than you already do, you can drop a one-off tip on there that goes towards helping me get better equipment for these videos. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.